So in this video, you'll learn how to make your Bluesky account private. So we have two ways we can do this. The first is by simply hiding your visibility. To do that, you want to navigate to the settings menu, and under settings, you should see privacy and security selected. From here, you should see logged out visibility. So what you want to do is simply just tap on the toggle to enable it. And now your profile will no longer be visible to any logged out users. So some apps won't be able to tell if you're online or offline, and it will just hide your profile from any users that are logged out. You can also make your account private by simply choosing who can see your posts. So start by creating a new post, and then at the bottom, you should see this option, anybody can interact. So you want to tap on it, and then you should see under reply settings, allow replies from everybody and nobody. So currently by default it's set to everybody, and if it's set to everybody, you can see two other options you can apply. So under everybody, you can choose mentioned users. So any users that you mention in your post, those are the only people that can see it, or followed users. So any users that follow you can see that same post. So it's up to you to decide if you want to enable both of them or not. It's your choice. Alternatively, you can always just select nobody, and then when you tap on save, nobody will be able to interact with your post. So that's how you can make your Bluesky account private. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.